Back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a template that I found off of Google. This is really cute, simple to do, and that is the high heel. You guys, look at that. Tell me that is not cute. Super cute, and it's simple. Oh, and guess what? If you open it, it's got candy. You can put your candy or your goodies, whatever kind of party favors you want down inside of here. This is just super cute to do. It is the high heel. Nothing special really needed. It was cute. Y'all, I know I have not shown my face in a while, but that's okay because y'all gonna see me a lot in September. So let's go ahead and get into this tutorial, you guys. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need, of course, is your two printout of the templates, and then I'm just going to go ahead and cut along each line, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I pretty much got my pieces cut off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the box. And first thing we're going to do is pretty much just start creasing it along these dotted areas. So pretty much just take it and fold it along these dotted lines, or should we fold it this way? I don't know. This is my first time doing it, so my guess is just as good as yours. Alright, I'm going to continue doing this on the whole thing, and then I will be right back. Okay, so as you can see, I have everything folded up. I also went on ahead and folded my other cutouts as well. So I have heated up my glue gun. I got my glue gun ready to go with no goddamn glue stick. Jesus, forgive me. Okay, so put a glue stick in. Now all we're going to do is take turns pretty much putting glue on one side and then gluing it up, and then you're going to put glue on there, lift that side up, and you're just going to keep going until you get pretty much to this stage right here where you got your top, and then you can go ahead and stop right there. So on each one of these little flaps, that is pretty much where you want to add your glue. So let me go ahead and add a little bit of glue. And you can use whatever kind of paper you want. I'm just using the cardstock paper, just some little cheap cardstock paper that I got from Walmart. Nothing fancy at all or expensive. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do these two sides as well. As you guys can see, this is quick, it's simple, it's not too hard. Oh goodness, let me. And there we have the box that we are going to put our goodies down inside of. I think this would be really cute with like some colored paper. Get creative with this. Okay, so now with these two end pieces that we have here, this is pretty much the easy part. And in the pictures that I saw for the instructions, they had put like some decorative, paper, sticker paper, tape. I don't know. I'm just using some glitter duct tape, and I'm just putting that on right there. Now I'm going to put the side that has the dots down, that way you don't see it. And pretty much what we're going to do is we are going to glue these circles on just like that. So I'm just going to put some glue right here on the bottom. You guys, like I said, this is my first time, so I'm hoping that I'm doing this correctly. Alright, so let's go ahead and do one side at a time. Alright, that one is down. I'm going to go ahead, put some on this side. Try to slip it up. I'm just going to press it down. And already you can see the shoe starting to come together. And then I'm guessing this goes inside of here, right? I'm guessing. I'm hoping that's how it goes. Alright, let's keep going and see how this goes. Okay, so now what we're supposed to do is I'm going to put a little bit of glue right here on the outside, just like that. And then you want to go ahead and attach that inside of the box. Okay, so that is pretty much your heel. That's what it's looking like. And then, you know, this is where you put your goodies. I got some of the little Starburst. So that's going to be how we close it. And I think I'm going to put some ribbons here. So what I need to get is my hole puncher, which is right here. I'm going to use my hole puncher, punch a hole in it. Alright, so got my holes in there. I'm about to go and find me some ribbon to put up in here. Alright, and there you have it, you guys. It is all done and complete. I did go in and cover it up with some decorative card stock paper, whatever that stuff is called. I think it came out really, really cute. I like it. Cute, simple. Come on. Ooh, shoot. Nope, that ain't gonna work. Thank you. Cute, simple craft to do. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. The Patreon. The template will be on my Patreon page. It's already up there, you guys. Look at that. That is super cute. All right, I will see you guys later. Hey everybody, so I've been getting some requests to do custom items, but as you guys know, I no longer have a shop, so I do not sell items, but I do have some shops right here that are listed. These are people that are very talented. These people are very creative. You can find them on Etsy, Instagram, Facebook. And if you do not see something on their shop, you can always request custom items. We're going to take a look at this shop right here. There's all types of stuff. As you can see, there is a huge variety and things to choose from. Like I said, feel free to message these people and ask for custom items. You can find different things on each and every one of these, one of these pages. They have great reviews. I highly recommend them. Even if you just go in and take a look, save their shops, add these things to your favorite. Look at this stuff. Just like very creative stuff here. Go ahead, send these people a message. You guys, they got you. They're here. They are here. Yeah. So let's keep looking. Let's see what else we got. Look at this stuff, you guys. This stuff is awesome. This stuff is very, very creative. Look at this. Another shop. Y'all, half of this stuff I wish I could do. Like the food stuff, girl, you got it. I cannot do no food stuff for nothing. And then, like I said, Facebook as well. Be sure to check out all of these places. Add them to your favorites. Like them. Spread the word about them. if you need custom items, feel free to message them. Like I said, they will work with you to pretty much get the item that you need. So yeah. So I just wanted to get that out there to you know, support these shops, support each other, and I will see you guys very soon.